If you could only grow 10 plants for your home, these are the ones that would save you money, improve your health, clean your air, and even protect your house. Some of these plants give you food, some improve your health, and one of them actually protects your other plants. So by the end, you'll know exactly which plants your home truly needs. And number 3 is something most people completely ignore. Let's start with number 10, aloe vera, the living first aid plant every home should have. Snap a leaf and the cooling gel inside can soothe burns, cuts, sunburn, and irritated skin within minutes. That's why every household benefits from keeping one on a windowsill. It's also perfect for beginners because it thrives on neglect, needs little attention, and can go days without watering. In fact, the biggest mistake people make is caring too much. Overwatering quickly rots the roots and kills the plant. Treat it like a desert plant, not a thirsty herb. But this next plant helps from the inside, not just outside. At number 9, mint, the refreshing herb that keeps giving flavor, tea, and freshness all year. Mint is one of the most rewarding plants you can grow at home. Its fresh leaves turn into tea, help digestion after meals, and add flavor to drinks and dishes. The best part is that a single plant can supply you for months because it regrows after every trim. Mint thrives in containers, making it perfect for balconies, kitchens, or windowsills. But there's one mistake many beginners make: planting it in open ground. Mint spreads aggressively and can take over your garden. Keep it contained in a pot. Now this next one doesn't just help you, it protects your garden. Coming in at number 8, garlic, the natural protector that strengthens you and your garden. Garlic is more than just a kitchen staple. It's one of the most powerful plants you can grow at home. It naturally supports your immune system, has antibacterial properties, and has been used for centuries as a home remedy. In the garden, garlic also works as a protector, helping repel pests that damage nearby plants. The best part is how simple it is to grow. Just plant a clove in soil, give it sunlight, and let nature do the rest. The biggest mistake to avoid is soggy soil, since poor drainage causes bulbs to rot quickly. But wait until you see the plant that keeps giving food forever. At number 7, green onions, the endless regrowing food that turns scraps into harvest. Green onions are one of the easiest and most satisfying plants you can grow at home. Instead of throwing away the white root ends, place them in water or soil and watch them regrow within days. You can harvest the green tops again and again, making them a constant, free supply for soups, salads, and cooking. They don't need much space, so they're perfect for kitchens, balconies, or small homes. Just make sure they receive enough sunlight, because weak light leads to thin, slow growth. With proper light, they grow fast and reliably. Now this next plant upgrades almost every meal instantly. Number 6 is basil, the kitchen hero that upgrades meals and keeps insects away. Basil is one of the most useful herbs you can grow at home. Its fresh leaves instantly elevate pasta, salads, soups, and sauces, making it a true kitchen essential. Beyond cooking, basil naturally helps repel insects like flies and mosquitoes, which makes it great near doors or windows. It grows quickly in warm conditions and can produce leaves for months if cared for properly. The key mistake most beginners make is not pruning it. If you don't trim basil regularly, it becomes tall, weak, and stops producing new leaves. Frequent harvesting keeps the plant bushy, healthy, and far more productive. By the way, most people fail at growing plants for one simple reason: they water too much. Plants die more from love than neglect. Halfway at number 5, rosemary, the tough, long-lasting herb that thrives with little care. Rosemary is one of the toughest and most dependable herbs you can grow at home. Once established, it can live for years, providing a steady supply of fragrant leaves for cooking, teas, and even home remedies. It loves sunlight, handles heat well, and actually prefers slightly dry soil, which makes it perfect for busy people who forget to water. This resilience is what makes rosemary so valuable in any home garden. The biggest mistake beginners make is overwatering it, since constantly wet soil causes root rot quickly. Let it dry between watering. Now let's move to the plant that thrives indoors. At number 4, snake plant, the nearly unkillable indoor plant that freshens your space. The snake plant is one of the best plants for indoor spaces, especially if you want something beautiful without the stress of constant care. It helps improve indoor air quality and continues releasing oxygen at night, making it a great choice for bedrooms and workspaces. What makes it truly special is its toughness. It tolerates low light, irregular watering, and general neglect, which is why many call it almost impossible to kill. The biggest mistake people make is watering it too often, since it stores moisture in its leaves. Let the soil dry fully first. This next plant protects your home in a different way at number 3, lemongrass, the fragrant plant that flavors food and guards your home from mosquitoes. Lemongrass is a powerful plant that combines usefulness, fragrance, and beauty in one pot. Its fresh stalks can be used to make calming tea, add citrus flavor to cooking, and even scent your home naturally. Beyond the kitchen, lemongrass also helps repel mosquitoes, making it perfect for balconies, windows, and outdoor sitting areas. It grows quickly in warm weather and can produce many harvests from a single plant. The biggest mistake beginners make is giving it too little sunlight, which slows growth and weakens the plant. Give it bright light and space to grow. Now let's talk about a plant that gives you real food fast. Number 2 is spinach, the fast-growing super green that brings real nutrition to small spaces. Spinach is one of the fastest and most rewarding food plants you can grow at home. In just a few weeks, you can begin harvesting fresh, tender leaves packed with vitamins, iron, and antioxidants. It's perfect for small spaces, growing well in containers, raised beds, or even shallow trays on a balcony. Because it matures quickly, you can enjoy multiple harvests in a short time. The biggest mistake people make is planting it in extreme heat, which causes the plant to bolt and turn bitter. Grow it in cooler weather for the best results. And now the one plant that makes every home feel like a real garden. And finally, number 1, tomatoes, the plant that turns any home into a real food garden. Tomatoes are the plant that turns any home into a real food garden. Even one container can produce a surprising harvest, giving you kilos of fresh fruit from a small space. That means fewer trips to the store and real savings over the season. They're also incredibly satisfying to grow, because you see flowers, green fruit, and bright red ripening all at once. For beginners, tomatoes teach pruning, watering, and harvesting in a simple way. Choose a sunny spot, support the plant, and feed it regularly. Once you grow tomatoes at home, store-bought ones never taste the same again fresh. If you're completely new to growing plants, don't try everything at once. Start with 3 that are proven to succeed almost anywhere: aloe vera, mint, and green onions. Aloe gives you a useful healing plant with almost no effort. Mint grows fast and provides constant harvests for tea and cooking. Green onions regrow from scraps, so you get food within days. These plants build confidence because they respond quickly and forgive mistakes. Once you see success with them, growing more plants feels easy instead of intimidating. Start small, learn their rhythm, and let these 3 turn your home into a living, growing space. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these plants are already growing in your home right now? And which one are you excited to start next? Maybe you already have herbs on your windowsill, or maybe this video inspired your very first plant. Tell me in the comments, because your answer might help someone else decide where to begin. And if you found this guide helpful, save it so you can come back when you're ready to plant more. Growing even one plant changes how you see food, health, and your home. So which one is yours today?